What if I tell you that's your channel that is stuck with 0 views, 16 views, 10 views, 28 views, that you can make it to start having thousands of views just with simple prompts that you can give to AI? If you watch, AI is taking over the internet and you are not supposed to sleep on that. You equally have to take advantage of it and understand that you can use the AI tools to enhance and improve the growth of your channel. You can do that. It is very, very simple. And that is what I'm about to show you right now from beginning to end. In this channel, all we do is practical. So let us go straight into my phone so that I can show you everything without hiding anything from you. All you have to do is to go to Google Play Store or App Store and download ChatGPT or Google Gemini. In case you don't have it on your phone already, just download it and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. I know most of you have ChatGPT, but you don't know how to use it. But today, what I'm going to break down is to show you how you can use ChatGPT and grow your channel. And once you start doing that, you will notice that you will start having a good result on your channel. So now let us get started. I open ChatGPT. If you open ChatGPT, this is what it's going to look like. I am going to advise you not to type anything here until you do this particular thing that I'm about to say right now. ChatGPT has a broad knowledge and ChatGPT can do almost everything. So I am going to advise you to send your prompts correctly so that the ChatGPT will be aware of the task it's going to perform. So now, what are you going to say first of all? You will say, "Hi, I want you to think like a YouTube coach and channel strategist." Do you get? So once you type this, you send. ChatGPT already know what to do because you have given ChatGPT a direct instruction that you want ChatGPT to think in a certain way. So now everything and all the results is going to bring out for you is going to be accurate. So what are you going to do? Look at what ChatGPT said here. "Hi Justin, let's put on the YouTube coach strategy plus mindset." That means thinking beyond just uploading videos. We are looking at long-term growth, positioning, branding, and the strategy. So I have activated ChatGPT to think like a YouTube coach. I want ChatGPT to think like me. Okay, so that's by the way. Now, what are you going to do? You go to your channel, go to your channel. Like me, I will go to this my channel, Jazi Nation TV, 77,000 subscribers. Then you take a screenshot of that your channel. Take a screenshot of your channel. You head back to ChatGPT. Then you upload that screenshot. I know most of us don't know that you can do these things. "This is my channel. I want you to give me an advice on how to grow this channel because it's no longer getting views and I need to start having views on this channel. Give me content plan, strategy, ideas, thumbnail ideas too that I can use on this channel." Just with a very simple prompt, ChatGPT is going to generate a very good idea for you. And one thing about ChatGPT is you have to be friendly with ChatGPT. You have to talk to ChatGPT as if you are chatting with a real human being. Anything that you don't understand, you type "I don't understand" is going to make it clear to you. So this is a simple prompt I want to give ChatGPT now. So let me see what chat will come up with. ChatGPT is done generating the ideas. So let's see what chat came up with. Don't forget, I have a bonus tip for you at the end of this video, so stick around. "I will think like a coach and a strategist for your Jazi Nation TV channel. I see you already have a good base subscribers, 77.5k subscribers. But since the channel has slowed down in views, the audience is not being fed with the right type of content anymore. Discovery content plus retention content are missing. The algorithm doesn't know who to push your videos to because of the missed signals." So now this is how to fix it. Content strategies. This channel is positioned around helping creators grow, showing tools, gears, and the creators focus tips. That's your niche. Let's double down on it. So these are the suggestions ChatGPT is bringing for me. So I don't know if it's still necessary for me to read everything here because what ChatGPT said here is quite long. So why I use this channel, Jazi Nation TV, to show you is because this is a channel that I'm trying to rebrand. As you can see, rebranding is going on the channel. So that particular channel, I want to use it and help creators. Here, what I'm mostly talking about in this channel is helping you as a YouTuber. I'm talking about YouTube tips, YouTube growth. But there, I want to help you as a content creator, no matter what you are creating, bringing you the necessary content strategies that you can use to grow, irrespective of the platform you are into. So that is basically the rebranding that is going on there. If you notice that you are having low views on your channel and you don't know exactly what is wrong, you can ask ChatGPT to analyze your channel and tell you what you are going to do. If you are having views before and suddenly you stop having views, there are some things that are involved. It is either that particular niche you are into has many competitors now, and maybe those competitors are taking over the views that you are supposed to have. What you are going to do is for you to equally look up to your competitors, even those that have higher subscribers or lower subscribers than you. Just look at their videos, see the type of topic they are creating, try to meet up. You improve your editing, your thumbnails, your videos will be going far. It will have more recommendation. Another thing that can lead to someone to stop having views is seasonal content. Probably you built your channel with trend or seasonal content, and when that particular trend dies off, your channel stop getting views. All these things are the few things that can lead to your channel to stop having views. I've already made a full video about it. You can check the link in the description of this video and watch the things that can cause your channel to stop having views. And you can tell ChatGPT to analyze your channel and tell you what you are going to do so you start having views. Now, this is the bonus tip I have for you. If you're a new YouTuber, you created your channel newly, the only thing you need to do is to start posting videos first. Do not push much interest on the results. Enjoy the process, right? If you focus all your attention on the results, you will think you are not having results. If you watch my previous video, you will see when I started this channel, I was having 16 views, 8 views. But the result is not what I'm interested in. I just love the process that I'm creating video and I'm uploading, and even 16 people saw it. Are you getting my point? So if you are too focused on the results, you will think that you are not doing anything. Why actually you are doing something? Just that algorithm is trying to locate the right audience for you. So what you are going to do, if you create your video, you post, you strategize your channel and your content. You don't have to think that algorithm is not favoring you, this one, that one. This algorithm we are talking about is just YouTube recommendation system that is taking your videos to the right audience. Every content you are creating have audience, so keep on creating. If you create your video, you post, you track the analytics, check one or two things, check if the video is doing well, write your script for the next video. You can tell ChatGPT to help you, right? Use it and create a very quality content and upload. Forget about the views, it's going to come. When the views will start coming, all your videos will start having views automatically. Technology has made everything very, very simple. Ask ChatGPT why you are not having views, and any changes they ask you to make, you follow it bit by bit. Before you know, your channel will come back to life. That is all I have for you today. If you made it to this point, go to the comment section and tell yourself congratulations, because what I just gave you now is definitely going to change your channel for good. All right, so in case you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Jazi and I'm a creator for the creators. I teach people how to grow on YouTube and other social media platforms. Very, very simple and easy. Here we teach you like an 8-year-old baby. So thank you so much for watching my videos, and for my returning subscribers, I love you so much and I hope to see you on my next video. Do well to follow me in all social media platforms at Jazi Nation 1. Bye, and I'm going to see you on my next video.